What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's video we're gonna do a sound comparison between a couple different exhaust systems. We've got a couple different Brox exhausts, and we've also got a Yoshi exhaust, and I wanted you to hear what each exhaust sounds like. So if you're shopping for an exhaust system, for one, I can get it for you. Two, it's good to hear them from the same camera, the same microphone, you know, kind of in the same setting, because you watch YouTube videos, you watch this guy's video and he's using this phone or this camera or whatever. Anyways, it just kind of, they all sound a little different. So I wanted to try to give you a video showing you what the different exhaust systems sounds like, all coming from the same thing, same audio source anyways. So we're going to be doing that. I've also got something else to show you. I've got some new goodies that just came in from Brox Performance. Here they are. It took me a minute. I lost them there for a second. We're going to be doing this next week. We've got some pair block off plates. So we're going to be talking about this in a future video. I've got these for my ZX14 and for the GSXR 1000. We're going to do a comparison. We're going to show you what those are. That's a good mod. It's cheap. If I'm not mistaken, those things are around 60 bucks. So it's an inexpensive mod you can do to help with performance on your bike. It takes off a little weight. I mean, every little bit counts, right? So that's a good cheap thing that we're going to be going over in a video next week. But as of right now, let's get started on this sound comparison. We've got the 2020 GSXR 1000 with the Brox Penta carbon exhaust. We've got a 2017 GSXR 1000 with a Brox alien head exhaust. We've got a 2017 GSXR 1000 with a Yoshi Alpha exhaust, which also still retains the stock catalytic converter. So this is just a slip-on only. This customer has actually got this bike here to get a Penta carbon put on it. So we're going to be taking that off. The customer will probably be selling it. If you guys are interested in purchasing that, you could always get with me. If you like the way this sounds, I can try to talk to the customer and work you out a deal on that. And then I've got another 2018 GSXR 1000 with a full titanium Brox Predator exhaust. So all three of these bikes are basically the exact same bike, but they've all got different exhaust systems. I've already warmed them all up, so all the engines are warm. We're gonna fire these up one by one and let you hear about a 30-second clip of it idling, revving, you know, all that good stuff, so you can kind of make your own decision of which one you like the best. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the door opened up and we're gonna get started. All right, before I fire up this first one, I want to be sure to remind you, be sure to support the channel. Go to moremafia.com. We got hats, shirts, stickers, hoodies, all kind of good products for you guys to check out. I've also got the More Mafia Drag Race School, so all the details on that are on the website. That's only 200 bucks, and we're already doing the sign-ups for the first class, which begins in April. All right, guys, so back to what we came to see. 2020 GSXR 1000 Brox Penta carbon exhaust. This is a full exhaust system. All these are full exhaust systems except for the Yoshi, which is a slip-on. was the Penta carbon exhaust. This is the Brock's Alien Head exhaust system. Alright, that was the Brock's Alien Head. Now we're going to move on to the Yoshi exhaust. Remember, this one is a slip-on. It does still retain the factory catalytic converter. So I don't know if you could hear in that exhaust a little bit. There was a little bit of a rattle. That is not the engine. That is the exhaust valve. So Suzuki actually has a problem with these factory exhaust valves. I kind of zoomed in on the exhaust valve in the back that opens and closes. You can see that little valve. Well, it has another one of those up in the front of the exhaust, and those are known for rattling. So once of course, we're getting rid of this system, and that, of course, that's going to fix the problem, but I mean, it can be fixed through adjusting it. So anyways, let's move on to the 2018 GSXR 1000. This has got the Brock's Predator exhaust. This is a full titanium exhaust system. Alright guys, comment in the comment section below which exhaust do you like the best, which one do you think sounds the loudest, which one do you think sounds the deepest. Let me know if you were going to buy an exhaust, which one would you want. Also, if you do want to buy an exhaust, hit up your boy, moremafia.com, check us out. I'll be glad to hook you up with a good deal on one of these exhaust systems. As always, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We do more stuff like this all the time. I get different stuff. I've got next week, I've got a dyno shootout coming between the Brock's Alien Head exhaust, and I actually have they already picked it up, but an Akrapovic, a 2017 GSXR 1000 with an Akrapovic exhaust. So that's going to be coming up next week. I'll have that video put together for you. And I think that's going to do it for today, guys. Be sure to smash that like button. All right, guys, see ya.